Hi, my name is Kathleen Lemaire. Welcome to GetYourStarterKit.com. I put this resource together so you have a place to look at all the opportunity information for Avon. It's such a great business, and I'm so glad I started it in 2014. So 6 months after I started, my daughter was born. So I was able to work this full time and never ever have to go back to a corporate job. So today, right now it's 12 o'clock, and I have finished my work for the day. So the rest of the day is for whatever I want to do. So this is the money that I collected just from today from delivering my orders. This is going to be deposited into my bank account, and this is for me to keep. I already paid Avon their percentage with the orders I delivered earlier this week. So this is my pure profit. I still have a couple of deliveries that I have to do tomorrow, and then I'm done. So I just keep repeating the same thing over and over. I go out and I give my customers catalogs, and I put them around town. I go to local businesses, drop them off. I meet new people, collect their information, and I offer them the home delivery service. They can either go online and purchase it for home delivery, or I can just come and deliver it to their home. I love meeting with my customers and showing them what's coming out new in the catalog. I like letting them know what's on sale. And it doesn't feel like I'm working at all because I just have a lot of fun. I have customers I get to sit and have coffee with, and my daughter plays with her kids. That is just so much fun. I just love it. And I look forward to all the incentives that Avon has. Like right now, there's Cruise Like a Boss, a cruise to Bermuda that you can earn. You don't have to pay anything. Everything's included. Maybe if you want a tip, you'd have to pay for that. But it's from April 28th to May 3rd of 2018, and you could still earn this. You still have time to earn this trip by doing your Avon business and by helping others start an Avon business. Avon has so many wonderful things. So I put this resource together because I wanted you to be able to look through the website and be able to see everything that Avon has to offer. And I update it frequently, so I always make sure that it has the most accurate information on here. But they just came out with a health and wellness line. It's going to be coming out in campaign 3. So it depends on when you're watching this video. You can go to my other website. It's called Falaunt.com, Falaunt.com. And it has all the current catalogs. You can just look at them right there and see exactly what catalog right now you would be able to offer to your customers when you sign up today. So you can go to Get Started tab or Start Now. I can't remember what I named it offhand, but just go to that tab and sign up for Avon. There are 3 starter kits, $25, $50, and $100. I only am showing you this because it's actually in the website under more or additional information or more information. But this $100 kit's the best because it comes with a bag. It opens up and it has a mirror. This little white part here is a mirror. And then it has a place to put your makeup brushes. And then you have a sample bag that goes inside. And you can this is everything that comes with the starter kit. I don't earn anything extra for offering these kits to you. This is purely an Avon, between you and Avon. However, I want to share it with you because this makeup bag does make a big difference. So if you can afford it, I would get this kit. If not, then just start off with a $25 kit. But the beauty of this kit is you can carry everything with you. So if you want to meet your friends for lunch, you just have that bag on the floor. Once you guys are done eating or while you're waiting for your food, you can pull it out and show them all the great Avon products. And then you can either put price tags on those items and sell them at full value to them, maybe give them a discount, or you can even go and rent a table at a vendor fair or a craft show, and all you have to do is put the products out, collect people's information that are interested in receiving the Avon home delivery option, because I always say it's better. Like Walmart won't deliver to your house and won't talk with you and show you all the new products, right? So this is a great bundle. That's what I'm just recommending to you. And that's the only reason why, because sometimes what happens is people sign up and then they see somebody else with that other bundle and they're like, oh, I wish I had that bundle. But it's great because it's so easy to grow a business. Avon's been in business for over 130 years, so there's always people looking for Avon. I have Avon branded on my car, so I'm constantly getting people honking their horns and waving at me because they want an Avon catalog. And I also have little hooks on my car, and I put Avon catalogs in little plastic bags and hang them on there, and I have people take them and place orders with me. So I'm always finding new customers. It's so simple. You don't have to pull teeth. You don't have to go, okay, what am I doing to get customers? It just happens. because Avon's a great company and they've been in business for that long that people actually know what the products are. We have some more trendier items, which is called Mark, and that is great for people who like the bolder makeup, maybe even the more gothic looking clothing. It's great. I just love everything about Avon. We even have a special offer for your new customers when your first 7 campaign. So campaign runs for 2 weeks. You can offer this bundle for $19.99. It's worth $65. And you can even stock up on these and sell these and have cash in hand. But Avon does not require you to actually stock up on any products. That's just something that's personal choice for you. I happen to do it because I buy things when they're on sale and then I sell them later when they're full price and make even more money. But I have a lot of tips for you. I have a lot of information for you. I am not your boss. I am a mentor. So what that means is when you have a question or if you need some advice about something with your Avon business, you have me to help you. And you can either, I can either hold your hand through all the process, or you can say, you know what, I'm good on my own. I'll let you know if I need you, and that's fine. I'm not going to be pushing you and telling you you need to do this and you need to do that. That's not how I work. That's not it. I'm just here to help inspire you. And you'll get as soon as you sign up, I will send you a welcome kit, and that's going to include starter labels for your books. So I have all your information on it for your catalogs and for your samples, so you don't have to worry about printing them up or buying a stamp. You can actually just start working your business right away. I also will give you some business cards that I'll print up for you, and you can start passing those out right away without having to spend money until you want to spend money to buy other cards. I'll also give you additional supplies and tools that I use that helped me grow my business. I'm here to help share my success stories with you and help you. I am not going to hide the good tips and not share. No, I want you to do everything the way I'm doing it because I think you could do it good. But yet you don't have to do it that way. You can do it however way you want. If you want to work 1 hour a week and you want to work 40 hours a week, it's up to you. So it's really your business, and you decide how much money you want to make. You want to make this much, or do you want to make this much, or do you want to make even more? So there's definitely opportunity. There's no minimum order requirements for you or your customers. So if all you collect in orders is $20, you'll still get paid a commission on that. If your customer wants to sign up under you and become a representative, you will earn 3% of what they make. So let's say they go and they just place orders and it's like $20 here, $20 there. You're still going to get paid. And it doesn't come out of their money. It comes out of Avon's money. So they figure out what the amount would be and then they pay you that. So it's not coming, nobody has to pay you separately. This is all Avon. They bonus you that way. But I don't want to bore you with any more information. So please feel free to contact me. Scroll down, fill out the information, or just click on Get Started or Start Now and start your own Avon business. I am here to help. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.